Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the YouTube Shorts render resolutions for your iClone 3D animation software. First, what you need to do is just go to the render, and first, before you do anything, you can just click render video first. And here you can see the render. So I just drag it to this position. And the frame size, what you need to do is just change it as a custom. So for this custom, first, you may want the HD, but you want to render as the YouTube Shorts. So it must be reverse. So go to the custom 1080 times 1920. So press enter. Now for this frame, if you render it as a video, it will become just a YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to just show you a really easy example, just with a random 3D avatar. Just render it as a Shorts. First, I'm going to just apply the animation. First, let's go to here, apply some animation for these people to perform something. For example, the dance gracefully, or any of the change pose, it will be okay. So now just try to play. Alright, let's say if you just want to make it as a YouTube Shorts, maybe it's just somewhere here. Then frame rates, now I just try to export it as a video on my desktop. This video sample. So now it is going to export it, and later we are going to just have a look. If I want to upload it to my YouTube, what will happen? Media export completed. Just open it now. Just press yes, and I have a look. This is the video. So if I try to just import it into the YouTube, let's see what will happen. Right, now I'm going to try to just upload this to the YouTube to see whether will it automatically detect as a Shorts, YouTube Shorts. I drag and drop. See, it will automatically detect. It looks like you are uploading a short, or your shorts are automatically considered as short at revenue sharing. So if by using the iClone, you render the output size as 1080 times 1920, it will automatically consider as a YouTube Shorts, where you can just put it on your YouTube and also just make the short ads revenue rather than the long video. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to render the video as the YouTube Shorts resolutions for your iClone 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!